हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू वन अकेडमी। एक बहुत ही बड़ी अपडेट आ रही है उड़ीसा बोर्ड के लिए। उड़ीसा बोर्ड के क्लास 12 के एग्ज़ाम कैंसिल कर दिए हैं, जैसा कि सीबीएसई ने किया है, जिसने यह काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्टेट बोर्ड ने क्लास 12 कैंसिल कर दिया था। वैसे ही उड़ीसा ने क्लास 12 के एग्ज़ाम कैंसिल कर दिए हैं। उसका ऑफिशियल वीडियो आगे मिल जाएगा। अभी हम इसको आगे कर देना टच, अब हम देख सकते हैं। तो मिलते हैं, अभी लाइव स्ट्रीम चल रही है। थैंक्स।
We are back with breaking inputs coming in from Odisha. Odisha has cancelled class 12 board exams. The chief minister said that students' life is more important than an exam. So now the state of Odisha also cancels class 12 board exams. Let's go across Tracy joining us on the broadcast with more details. Tracy, decision of course taken in favor of the students, keeping in mind their health and that of the staff members as well.
Well, that's right. The Council of Secondary, Higher Secondary Council of Odisha Board has decided to cancel the Class 12 exams. This, of course, coming in the background that CBSE has already decided to cancel the exams. Earlier, the Odisha State Board had decided to postpone it, but keeping in mind the pandemic and the student safety, they have decided to call it off for now.
All right, Tracy, thank you for getting us those details. We are moving on now. So while the state of Odisha also has cancelled the class 12 board exams, on the other hand, Kamal Hassan has urged Tamil Nadu government to conduct state board exams for class 12 students even if it gets delayed. So Kamal Hassan says conduct board exams, doesn't matter if the exams are delayed, and conduct the exams after cases dip. He's also demanding a vaccination for all students. Let's go across to Shilpa, my colleague, joining us with more details. Shilpa, Kamal Hassan says conduct the exams when cases dip, but also vaccinate the students.
Well, that's right, Swati. In fact, several leaders and educationalists have expressed their concerns about the central government's decision, the CBSE's decision to cancel this board examinations. Many of them believe that it would affect the future of the students. And Kamal Hassan, of course, has now put out a statement wherein he has said that the Tamil Nadu government should conduct the state board examinations for class 12 students, even if it gets delayed. He says the examinations can be conducted with full safety precautions and once the rate of infection goes down in the state. And he also goes on to say that the state government should prioritize vaccinating class 12 students along with teachers who are already getting vaccinated. And of course, and he also goes on to give his suggestion that the government should keep in mind the future of the students and the impact that these decisions can have on the future of the students, and also saying that the government should look at adopting the Kerala model in terms of conducting the examinations. And as far as the Tamil Nadu government is concerned, so far no decision has been made regarding conducting the examinations for the state board students. The chief minister will be holding a meeting with the education minister and other experts and senior officers to take a final decision. They've been asking suggestions from teachers, parents associations, and even students as to what needs to be done. So a final decision is expected soon, but nevertheless,
all right, Shilpa, thank you for getting us those details. We're moving on now and shifting our focus to news coming in from Mathura.